All right, let's see if we can find a couple of parts that were missing on the bike. Here's one of them. I found this one already. That's the high beam indicator, and that is hopefully the correct bulb for it. So let's put those out of the way. Let's see what else we got here. Aha! And here, I don't know if you can see it yet, is the front brake switch. Now, I don't know if I've got the correct bolt and everything for that or not, so we're going to have to go find that out. Well, let's just get these ready right now. All right, this little jewel has a good bulb in it. We tested it. So now what we got to do is get it into this hole here. Okay? And the way you do that is you take this chrome piece out, chrome plastic, and you put this underneath and then push the chrome plastic with the red thing on it down into it, and that holds it in place. You lock it in like a regular bulb. So let's see if we can do that. All right, so here we are. We got this little jewel in here and locked into place. Hopefully you can see down in here, probably not. But we got two leads coming off of it, one of which is black. And then let's see if I can show you where that goes. That goes into a receptacle here, a plug that has room for 3 external plug-ins, and it also connects to the yellow, which goes to the headlight. So those are in and ready to go, and we'll be working on the turn signals to get them all connected. Well, it appears that either I have the wrong brake perch or I have the wrong brake switch. You see this part right here, wait, let me see if I can do this. This right here goes over this pin right here. But in order to lock this in place, there needs to be a protrusion down here that goes into this right here. And there isn't one. So I think I have the wrong switch for this brake lever perch. Or I have the wrong brake lever perch for this switch. Whichever that happens to be. So I'm going to have to go up in the parts bin and see what I can find. Well, it just so happens that there was one laying right on my little workbench up here. So I have one. What I found out is that the other one was the correct one as well, except the little tab down here, which you can see over here, I hope. Let me see if I can get this in the light. A little tab right by the end of my thumb down there should be there on this one, but it's unfortunately broken off. So that one I'll put, maybe I can fix it somehow someday. And this one should work. The sheathing on it was all busted up and hard as a rock. As a matter of fact, that's the remains of it right there. I just took this board over here and laid it down on the bench and hit it a couple of times, and it just cracked and went away. So this one should work. It's got the correct colors on it. It's got the right connectors on it. And it's got the little pin here to locate it. So we'll be in good shape. Okay, This should go right on there like that. And that pin should go in there. Then I just have to find a nut and a washer. I'm not sure if that's a 4 or a 5, but I think the nut should be a Castle nut, if I can find one. Those are not real plentiful. There we go. Everything's in. The pin up on this moves the lever, and this is locked in place as soon as I find the nut for it. Okay, well, I couldn't find a Castle nut that small. I'm pretty sure that's a 5. But what I did find is a nylock nut, and I think that'll probably do the job. All right, we're going to move this, and we got the meter attached to one lead here, and hit another lead here, and we'll see what happens. It's open, and it closes. It works. Okay, let's go test the rear one while we're at it, because I don't think I ever did that. Okay, well, let's take the lens cover off. It'll probably work better. All right, there we go. So we're going to check out the rear switch, which is right here. It's a little loose yet. Hasn't been tightened down, but it is hooked up. So let's give it a shot. We got the meter up here. Well, we got them both hooked up now. This one, the yellow one, going to the red lead up here, and the black one being connected with this clip lead to the brown one here. So we're going to go up and look at our meter up here and press our brake, and whoa, lo and behold, it works. So we're in good shape. Well, that'll be the end of it today. It's a real short one, about 8 or 9 minutes. I can't remember which, but I was going to add some more about the turn signals, but I figured out that the total was going to be almost 40 minutes, and that just takes an awful long time on my old DSL connection to upload. So I'm going to call it here, and if you liked it, please hit like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thank you.